Ever wondered where your friends really are on Facebook, without them even knowing? Today, I'll show you how to do exactly that, plus 6 free, above-board ways to track anyone's public Facebook location. Let's dive in. If you need to discreetly monitor a loved one's or employee's Facebook location, FamiGuard for Facebook is your go-to tool. FamiGuard is a parental control and monitoring app that quietly logs your target's Facebook activity, including location updates. It also enables you to track messages, calls, screen time, and real-time location, ensuring their online safety. On your phone or PC, open a browser and visit the FamiGuard for Facebook website. Click Sign Up, enter your email and password to create an account, then choose the subscription plan that fits your needs and complete the payment. Grab the target Android device and open its browser. Navigate to the download page and swipe right to download the APK file. Once downloaded, tap the APK to install, then launch FamiGuard for Facebook. Sign in with your new account, enter your child's basic information, and tap Next. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable all required permissions. If you don't need to be covert, or you want to keep things above board, here are 3 free methods that rely on Facebook's built-in features or publicly available IP info. If they click on a link you send, say, a shortened URL, you can capture their IP address. Then paste that IP into a free lookup service like IPinfo.io to get an approximate city or region. In Messenger, open a chat, tap the plus menu, hit location, then share live location. Your friend sees the prompt and must agree, then both of you can watch each other move in real time for up to 60 minutes. Many people tag their posts with location hashtags, #London, #BeachDay, #HomeSweetHome. Simply search the hashtag in Facebook search bar to find their public posts tagged with places. There you have it, one stealthy method with FamiGuard, plus 3 free, transparent ways to track location on Facebook. Which one will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you found this useful, and subscribe for more social media hacks every week. See you next time.